Welcome, Growth Tribe, fellow GSMM team members and current Facebook marketers. Today, we're going to be talking about a little Facebook hack. Something that's coming up in your notifications. You're seeing it, and maybe you never really thought anything of it, but it's actually another way in which you can use your existing paid Facebook advertisements and generate even more likes. Many of people have asked me about this. They didn't even know about this feature, and it's something that's come up recently with a lot of our clients. So let's go ahead and jump in. So if you see in your notifications, if you're managing a Facebook page, correct, that there would be all of these different notifications of engagements and things that are going on. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about one of our clients, US Health Advisors, Heath. He's a health advisor for US Health Advisors based here in Colorado. He's selling all over to the United States for helping people with their health coverage. So we can see that, Heath is running a campaign to get some more likes on his page, right? And we can see the engagements and the reactions and things like that. So where I'm going with this is that when you're running a likes campaign or a post engagement campaign, there's an opportunity that you're going to reach an audience that you currently don't have on your Facebook, right? They haven't liked your page. So I'm getting that notification here. It'll say help them see this future post by inviting them to like our page. So they may have engaged with the actual ad, but they might not have actually liked the page. So this is where we can go in and we can click in, and we see this little button right here that says invite. What that does is I can now instantly invite a person that may have engaged with the ad. So now, I can scroll through this, right? Here's another guy I can invite. Here's another guy that I invite. Now, if you think about it from a psychological perspective, right? If someone engages with your Facebook ad, but they haven't liked your page, but they've engaged with your ad, why wouldn't you want to invite them to like to your page, right? I mean, they've already given you that thumbs up of approval of saying, yes, Keith, I like this ad. This is great. I think this is cool, but they didn't take the next step to like their page. So what you can do is you can try to be more relevant with them by inviting them to that page. And now they're getting a second notification, right? Think about that in the consumer buyer journey of we've caught their attention. They don't know who I am. They've engaged with my content that they haven't seen before because it was relevant for them and it resonates. And now I'm going to invite them to like our page so that I can get them in that top of the marketing funnel, right? So that's what we can do. We can kind of scroll through all of these and see who hasn't. Obviously, if we have invited the person, right, then that means that we've already invited them, or maybe they've already liked our page. So it's just really as simple as kind of clicking into the ad engagements that you see on that ad and going and inviting them. And then that's a really quick little easy, fun growth hack that you can get more likes to your page. It doesn't cost you any money. So one final thing I would say with this is don't go in if you're running a big advertising campaign. We've got some clients where we might get these engagement numbers in the thousands. Facebook will decide to flag that feature as spam if you just go in and you invite like 1,000 people at a time. So my advice to you, based upon my experience this year with this feature on Facebook, is that you maybe take the time to invite 30, maybe 40 people in one setting. Give it another day or two, so that it doesn't look like you're spamming Facebook for a bunch of Facebook likes, and then go ahead and try again. And the best way that you can see that is you can obviously see it through either your notifications, or if you want to see it through the ads manager to close with our video, you can also go into the actual account and then go into your ads manager account where you can see all of your ads through the ad manager side where you can go into your notifications, right? And here's that same kind of notification where it should be here, right here, right? It's saying Earl Wilson, Matt Heimlich, blah, 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 help them see future posts by inviting them to like it. I can click in. Now Facebook's going to take me directly to that same ad. And here is that feature again now where I can go in and invite all those people. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this quick little how-to tutorial video. It's a great little growth hack to take your existing Facebook campaigns and get more bang for your buck. And it's a little unknown feature that a lot of people don't pay attention to that notification, but I'm here to tell you it's a great way to build that fan base and encourage people to join your community. So with that, please give us a like, give us a subscribe to all that jazz, and feel free to comment with any other cool Facebook hacks that you guys are working with in 2019. Thanks so much. Take care.